Have you ever stopped to think about this sentence? A dozen eggs is, or a dozen eggs are. Which one sounds right to you? It's a tricky grammar question, but it hides a massive idea. One that explains how our entire number system actually works. So, let's talk about the problem with 1. Imagine you're at the grocery store. You want to buy 1 apple, but they only sell them in bags. So, you grab 1 bag of apples. When you get home, you take out 1 apple, cut it up, and eat 1 slice. Now, which one of those is the real eat feet? Is it 1 bag, 1 apple, or 1 slice? Well, it turns out they all are. Because the meaning of 1 completely depends on the unit you're talking about. Our entire number system is built on this ability to change what we count as 1. We do this in 2 main ways: composing and partitioning units. When we compose, we take smaller things and group them together to make a bigger 1. For example, 12 individual eggs make 1 dozen. 2 shoes make 1 pair. 4 musicians playing together make 1 quartet. The opposite of that is partitioning. This is when we take 1 big thing and split it into smaller, equal pieces. A whole loaf of bread becomes single slices. A whole pizza becomes individual slices. A big chocolate bar gets broken into smaller squares. Each of those pieces is still 1. It's just 1 part of a larger whole. And it gets even more interesting because we can have units inside of other units. Think about toaster pastries. You might have 2 pastries inside a single pack, and 4 of those packs inside a box. When you buy 1 box, are you buying 1 thing, 4 things, or 8 things? The answer depends on your unit. It could be 1 box, 4 packs, or 8 pastries. And all of those are correct. This is precisely how our math system works. When we write the number 10, that 1 doesn't just mean 1 single thing. It means 1 group of 10. And 10 of those 10s make 100, and so on. The value of that 1 changes every single time we change its place value, or its unit. So the next time you see the number 1, remember that 1 isn't always just 1 apple, or 1 slice, or even 1 single thing. It's 1 unit. And that simple, powerful idea is what holds our entire world of numbers together. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, be sure to like and subscribe for more.